Okay, so yeah, we're about 1 hour away from arriving in Jodhpur. We're now heading away to Jodhpur, so from the pink city to the blue city, so making our way towards the desert. Going to be hotter, going to be drier, quieter. It's most definitely going to be a more smaller and quieter town. This train, getting on the train and finding your seat wasn't trivial. It's actually pretty damn challenging. Not many people wanted to help and the signs didn't really make a lot of sense, so get here early and figure it out. And yeah, but it's pretty cool, not bad. There's aircon in here and it's actually really not bad. So we've arrived and this place is magical, like magical. So we haven't had lunch, so we are starving. I'm just going to quickly show you our room because it's pretty awesome and it's really cheap. The big plus about this place as well is that it comes with a restaurant and the chef is amazing apparently, and you get an amazing view on the roof. So let's show you. So here we go. Big area, nice bed, very spacious, lots and lots of space, which I love. Decent bathroom, very nice. But yeah, let me go show you the room. Look at that view. Yes. Who is that? Who is that? Okay, so we're starting off our morning with a Namaste special coffee. It's a block of peanut butter.
Chocolate.
Peanut butter coated in chocolate inside your coffee. Plastic and all this. What is the hell is that over there? Is that a pug? Hey baby! Definitely no plastic around us, nothing at all. I think we are on the right path. So we're going to the National Rock Park. Okay, so it's absolutely stunning here. You get to see all the way around you, and you get to see the fort from here, and it's very quiet. It's actually very nice to be in a bit of silence. There's a lot of bird life around here, which is quite cool. I'm quite amazed actually, but it is firkin hot. It's 1 o'clock in the day, so it's probably not the best time to be doing a little hike. But yeah, gonna go get some breakfast, then we start our day, and we start by seeing that guy. So hopefully we can go inside. It's not too expensive, but yeah, let's check the fort out. And then tonight we are gonna go do some cooking class, a curry cooking class, because we need to learn how to be better vegetarians. We're really excited for that. Okay guys, so there are a ton of people here at Maharanga Fort. So that's pretty impressive. So yeah, it's the biggest fort in India, one of the biggest, as well as just some cool tips is that they actually shot the Jungle Book as well as one of the Batman films here. So what an amazing place. You can actually see outside on the walls where some cannonballs struck it from the, I think it was the army from Jaipur that actually came and fought here. So yeah, this has been built 500 years ago, about 1400s, and yeah, let's check the fort out. Help the dogs by feeding them. Apparently this is what they eat. How are you eating? Why? Nothing wrong with this. Just a bit of chaos. Just a bit of 5 o'clock traffic. Guys, I am still sick. I'm dying. But I'm actually trying to learn to cook. So let's go. We're right here at the cooking class. Let's go see how I go. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm David.
David.
So spent the day chilling in our guest house in the bed. I'm proper sick. Last night took it out of me completely. After our cooking little lesson, I KO'd to a point where I thought I had to go see a doctor and get some antibiotics, but yeah, it's Sunday, yeah, so that's not happening. So I've just been chilling and taking it easy. But yeah, in 2 hours time, at about 6 o'clock tonight, we go back to the train to make our way to Jaisalmer to go see the desert. So yeah, I'm really excited for that, and I'm really hoping I feel better, because it's been 2 weeks now since Nepal that I've been struggling. So, I don't know if you can see because of the sun, but you'll see a whole bunch of kites above the fort.
I'll try to zoom in.
Okay, so apparently, and I don't know how true this is, I heard this in a vlog, not at the fort, that for hundreds of years there's been a generation of fathers and sons, so grandfathers, father to son now, who's been feeding these kites every single day. So it's created a huge population of kites above the fort. It's flipping incredible.